Introducing the new EAS Lift and Assist system for SmartTop. Designed to make lifting the front half of the cover fingertip easy and feather light, the EAS system utilizes a series of hydraulic shocks that allow the cover to open and close gently and easily. Made of rust-free, heavy-duty powder-coated aluminum, the EAS Lift and Assist system is a durable, inexpensive option that can be added to every new SmartTop upright or added to existing SmartTop covers. As you can see, the EAS and built-in cover lift make opening and closing SmartTop truly effortless. Contact Rocky Holt at Leisure Concepts to learn more about this innovative and exciting new product.